Webull Canada Review 2025. Is Webull the best trading tool in Canada? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a review of Webull Canada in 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Webull is now available in Canada, offering stocks, ETFs, and options trading. Over here, the platform is known for its user-friendly interface and advanced analytical tools, making it a great option for both casual investors and active traders. After that, let's talk about key features. Over here, Webull provides commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, which makes it cost-effective for frequent traders. Then, it offers advanced analytical tools, including real-time market data, customizable charts, and technical indicators, helping users make informed decisions. After that, users can also trade during pre-market and after-hours sessions, providing flexibility beyond standard market hours. Then, Webull includes educational resources such as tutorials and webinars to help users improve their trading knowledge. Now, moving on to pros and cons. Over here, the pros include a user-friendly interface, comprehensive trading tools, and no account minimums, making it accessible to all investors. After that, the cons include limited asset classes as Webull does not support mutual funds, bonds, or cryptocurrencies. Then, customer support is only available via email and in-app messaging with no live chat or phone support. Now, let's compare Webull with other Canadian trading platforms. Over here, Wealthsimple is a great option for passive investors as it offers robo-advisory services and commission-free trading. After that, Questrade is Canada's largest discount broker, providing access to stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds with competitive fees. Now, coming to the final conclusion. Over here, Webull is a great platform for investors looking for commission-free trading and advanced tools. After that, users should consider their investment goals and compare Webull with other platforms to see which one best suits their needs. So that's an honest review of Webull Canada in 2025. That's all for this video.